Money we jana kwai.
Yeah, also for school.
Na e go reach headquarters. Obi.
Say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones opeso henya in the beef between himself and the nation prophet Opambour Benazakwa Yadom. Every say Opambour any abre any NDC for any asem e twimanso wo ho. Afrifa eso the boom firemen any attack. Any na masen kakra isi ya Afrifa e twetwe Opambour e di ne ho fel. Asem na si aha Penyah block media. Mesro say ni di mo. Oba like video na that room. Oba subscribe button and snap click notification icon for latest updates. Na ba chere wa dwen dia ba me e wo comment section. Meta so ba so a. No ahye video ma onia so enya bi ahwe. E dey 2024 about to koto na enkom hye edi mu akotini webrebe. Enkom hye e ba ye for Mahama no. Ontimi ni ebine da kwa Yadom Opambour. Ontimi ni free mu. Na odi mu akoti amo no kwa there enya just a prophecy. But he was also doing campaign.
What is our use in the
country?
Is this covenant?
Is
this covenant? Is this covenant? It is covenant.
Can I put the promotion? Say the baby papa.
And that's
why he been sick. Yep, let's come on your friends.
Go and use it to settle the thing.
Because
you don't know what to use the money. So go and use it to settle the Chinese. So that you have a peace. So that you have a peace. So that you have a peace. What is our use in the country? Is this covenant? Is this covenant? Is this covenant? It is covenant.
Can I put the promotion? Say the baby papa. And that's why he been sick. Yep, let's come on your friends.
But I am go and use it to settle the thing.
Because
you don't know what to use the money. So go and use it to settle the Chinese. You have a peace. So you have a peace.
Opambour was also doing campaign for NDC. I just not work for the cheap papa. Amamu beni Ewurade bejiye. Wo mejiya Elohim yewu. Amamu beni yehu bida. Those are bought a binety. Emma they say Mahama corner hall before election. Mahama kwaje pioneer the day. Emma Opambour Mahama ba Ken West no okọ hall mo ekokunya asem Ghana kan nsem yi okunya asem ho. Ya to ba wiye 23rd December NDC for Eromo Penny for the nka ko da ase.
Nyame wo tumi. Edikan ya beda Onyankopon ase. Ewo empempen so a ode NDC asante abedu. Yede inchia efi the president elect His Excellency John Mahama and the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana elect Yamame Professor Jenana Opoku-Agyeman and the national chairman of our great party Honorable Johnson Esiedu Nketia ewie yegyina ha yedi aseda ana Emma Onyankopon afa ya papa the nation prophet 1 eso yena yenim asanteman se wo ye NDC wo ha sana ufili but in fear miensa etwam the nation prophet 1 ejina na fidie ekese su se bibia entumi nsesa the victory of Its Excellency John Mahama ewo ekromu a na yena yehu ohawa empo ebi kasa ye den etia no but esan se Yakopon kasa kire na otinti o se dia waka no eno a na wa den waka na eno aso ebe den ebebem ye beda ye papa prophet 1 ase obom paye maye no na odine fidie ni TV station ni radio station esan eye edwuma maye ene ye nim se wo ye advert ba ko wo TV so a sika ubetua na yenhwe ye papa the nation prophet 1 mfie miensa esan Onyankopon akasa cheninti ɔde saa ne japadeɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ adwuma ɛma NDC. Its Excellency John Mahama, the president-elect, ɔse yɛmfa aseda a ɛso paa ɛma asɔremma nyinaa.
January mu so no yɛde Mahama tena konya so wieyɛ ɔkɔ Opambour so demo ɔno akasa kɔ hɔ no ɛkɔda na so ara se yɛsɛ bibia ayɛ nice na bi yɛn ka mi hye mu na nsen yɛn ɛnu sɛ Opambour aba media na sɛ osu
yɛbɛsi yɛbɛka nsɛm nyina yɛbɛsi yɛbɛka nsɛm nyina woyɛ NDC ni na wobɛfa NDC kwan so waba abam ntu ba bɛfa sase no wobɛfa sase no na woyɛ NDC no wodi kwan yɛ koma NDC woku bi yɛwura president John Mahama mama sɛm ɛkɔ so no woyɛ NDC ni sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofa sase no na woyɛ ndi wabanya bɛnti wɔn na wo free satam yɛyɛ kasamendis na wo ka wo bi den sɛm ɛka wo tumi ka bi de wade fa so wo busuani ban na wade fa so yɛ bie do yɛ bɛ ma ne so ba bɛfa sase no wo de abra so bɛfa sase no wo de abra so bɛfa kacha wo nana so kacha no bi esi asase no so me na me kacha no
asori pen de kura ya ntwe ama no na di fo de
tumi ya brade de
ewurade yesu
unyameso
wono amemo ode omo ba omo dimirika kwa na dwane ye na
nti ewurade sa wo bia sofo
obi antumi
de ya kan se sanana no won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a wonye very careful yes so won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a wonye very careful
yes
so wonye very careful odi agro meme na busia bo se to wo nyame no me ho me tweseka ntwintuo eno me aba
Opambour edi ani bere eti ni suogu NDC so se ade a ohini bi a owo kumase a ono so ye NDC ni epese obeji asase Opambour te so opese obeji asase Opambour te so Opambour ni abere se hey nya botre tama ye ne ni abere ebu akufo do chi campaign for Mahama where were you Tizafiri Mahama aba power NDC for obi anya tumi Opambour say hey ohene gina ye na video we na go viral na Opambour ka say time na ye de ahoden kuma Mahama na we no every fast na kire say enkom hye na o hye nyina say na enye nyame nem ye wa interest ene esomu an afrifa abetwetwe Opambour papa
Modi we jana kwai
osofu school
na ego reach headquarters obi yesi asem be reach headquarters ye fa nyama mfo ne kwai
yɛbɛsi yɛbɛka nsɛm nyina woyɛ NDC ni na wobɛfa NDC kwan so waba abam ntu ba bɛfa sase no wobɛfa sase no na woyɛ NDC no wodi kwan yɛ koma NDC woku bi yɛwura president John Mahama mama sɛm ɛkɔ so woyɛ
apostle obi yɛbɛto aba ɔsɛm ka kyerɛ mu sɛ prophecy bie ni baabia ɔsɛ nyankopɔn ayi wɔ moto tieni o interest anche tie do aka yakoma NDC hukumi so onim se ne nyame nka ne mo okoma NDC ensemo yakama NDC huka bi waka ni nyina ha omaje se interest o yesu yampa bon bemna na do refuse bompa etia me yusu someone no na de bompa ye because se de ye ne dia bia da se ni nyina na so no wonye nya sa na kaso edi me boni dua no mbeje nso na nya no kwa no mbeje o na asori dan ni nyina mbeje na asori dan ni nyina o mbeje ni nyina ye ntie na
wo ya NDC ni sa wo pesa wo fa sase no na wo ya ndi wabanya bɛnti wo na wo free satam yɛyɛ kasamendis na wo ka wo bi den sɛm ɛka wo tumi ka bi de wade fa so wo busuani ban na wade fa so yɛ bie do yɛ bɛ ma ne so ba bɛfa sase no wo de abra so bɛfa sase no wo de abra so bɛfa kacha wo nana so kacha no bi esi asase no so me na me kacha no
asori pen de kura ya ntwe ama no na di fo de
tumi ya brade de
ewurade yesu
unyameso
wono amemo ode omo ba omo dimirika kwa na dwane ye na
nti ewurade sa wo bia sofo
obi antumi
de ya kan se
obi antumi
sanana no won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a wonye very careful
yes
so won pass ndue wasantema mu ha no won pass no na konwa ne ho a wonye very careful
yes
so wonye very careful odi agro meme na busia bo se to wo nyame no me ho me twese kan twintuo
Obo woni hwe be ma busua bia abo. On say chief ya groshe baby shirt no. Baby shirt no. Baby na yoka. On so here say the only member kura ba omudwane. We watete member watete tagris. Obeka ya. Eda ye call Kumasi Bulldog wo. One of the boys in the baya. Obeya so konim be gidigidi. Bayi na he so. That you've not met a year we near ibia. Sad watete. Eti be na share shene wa wan nyina. Obema boys akodi nkwasesem. Wabaji assassin wabaji. Na won say wajai won wajai flower shirt ne say. Na chief no age flower shirt na say.
So we in the wardrobe no jamo.
We yi my wardrobe. Papa thank you. And one says one wajai flower shirt ne say wa pink shirt abo tie.
Papa thank you.
E dey atuna fusu.
Papa thank you. So you man Papa thank you.
Omubaje asase.
So fusu.
Cause mu ye pone. No mu hunu hwie o. Asase ya antia.
Sama ye kan o kan.
And some come and this weekend. What do you mean? That's why your politics. It is a assassination no man this by you. And what he didn't so end this in one bar. What back, Papa? What back? I saw that. Oh, I just saw that. As I watch on, and then the Scooby Doo tries in there. Generous will give you.
You go reach everybody. You go reach everybody. Everybody go get in share. In this, everybody go get in share. Chirawa your mama ever comment session. I how you Penyah Block Media.